September Family Sunday focuses on the transition from summer to fall, as we all turn over a new leaf. This month's activities take inspiration from changing colors, falling leaves, and works from the KWAG Permanent Collection. This week's video will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to make your very own leaf print, inspired by Susan Coolen's piece, Parlance No. 4, the 6th installment in the Artist's Parochial Views series. For this project, you will need the following supplies: a final project piece of paper, as well as a scrap piece of paper, colorful paper to collage with, leaves, scissors, glue, black paint, a paintbrush, a clean brayer, or if you don't have that, just your hand. Step number 1 is to go outside and collect your leaves. Collect as many different leaves as you like. Just remember to take the leaves from the ground. Next, you'll begin to collage with your colored pieces of paper. Experiment with collaging in a color blocking manner by using contrasting blocks or panels of solid bright color. Try cutting your paper into different sizes and shapes. I encourage you to play with your composition before gluing the colored paper down onto your project paper. Once you are happy with the layout of your collage and it has been glued down, move it aside and begin painting your leaves. Paint one side of your leaf black. Repeat this process on however many leaves you would like to use. Carefully lay the painted side of the leaf onto the collage in your desired spot. Do not move the leaf once it has been placed. Next, place a scrap piece of paper over the leaf and use either a clean brayer to firmly roll over the leaf or your hand to rub over the leaf. Complete this process over all of the leaves. Lastly, carefully lift the leaves off to reveal their print. And there you have it, your very own leaf print.